women, we impact the beauty industry way more than we get credit for. What they take from us is our exaggerated hips and facial contouring and lashes, because we're actually born male and we're just trying to make it every day as a woman.
Ballroom has influenced culture today within language and creativity. We had to create our own language because we needed visibility. When you heard work, work meant just surviving. So you told your girlfriends to work, but now we say work, W-E-R-K.
Ballroom has become so mainstream, they take the terms and they use it in their everyday life. Like a beat face or that pointy toe shoe that you go off for.
To me, ballroom is beautiful. Colors, Latin, Asian, Black, Caucasian. We all get together because we all want visibility and we all want to be celebrated. And ballroom is the #1 place to do it.
My name is Vivian Royster, and I've been in ballroom since 1995. Being a transgender woman of ballroom, it's given me a power within myself. I'm the queen mother of the House of LaBeija. I realized that I was trans is when I went to a ball. This one trans woman, she had all the bells and the whistles. That's when I realized that I was trapped in the wrong body. You know, I've always been an underdog, and I always wanted somebody to believe in me. And the House of LaBeija believed in me when nobody else did.
These were my family, they were my brothers, my sisters. I was in and out of foster homes and I always felt like I didn't belong. I remember one night I went to this club on a Thursday night and that's where I saw voguing for the first time. They had me try out and actually I was a hot mess. And when I showed them what I got, they all laughed and they said, "Oh no, but you are cute enough to walk schoolboy." And that's how I came into ballroom and started walking walls. To hear other communities use our language, that just shows you the power and the love of ballroom and how it spreads. You know, like I hear people going around saying mother. For the record, it's mother, but it comes from ballroom when you hear stuff like that. When I hear it gave, we've been saying what it gives and what it gave because that's what it gives and that's what it gave. Like Uma's thing is over. When it's over, it's done. That means there is no more to talk about it. Everything you are doing right now is fab and over the top. The 20s and 30s was about Harlem. The Harlem Renaissance, like that was just an amazing time. It was Art Deco and it was a lot of bling. And it was about eye makeup, smoky eyes, and America was in a recession. So people needed these gatherings to feel a part of. Socialites, you know, would be at these places and a lot of people being in drag. In the midst of that, there were people of color, Black women, Black queer people. And then when you got to 60s, the movement of pageantry is where the House of LaBeija came in. Crystal LaBeija, she walked pageants. And you know, you had to compete with white transgenders, white drag queens. With that is you never get the recognition. She had had enough. She was not willing to settle for being anybody's runner-up. So she took ballroom uptown. So you gotta think of 1968 and what was happening in the country for Black people. Number one, the civil rights movement was at its peak. Number two, when it came to gay people, we were literally in the background of the political arena, and what she wanted was visibility.
Sephora is one of the platforms that can give transgender women a voice.
Sephora and the House of LaBeija is about a community that celebrates and enhances beauty. It's about really people connecting, not only in chosen family, but also in community and understanding whether you're talking about a lip liner, a gloss, or just talking about eyeshadow. It's about community, understanding the importance of how we look, how we mostly feel, and being celebrated.